Hi guys, welcome back to Moto Curves and Curls. It's your girl Amanda, and in today's video, I went to Beaumont, Texas for the Ladies in Leather Rally, which was amazing. If you are new to my channel and you like this kind of content, I talk about everything there is to do with my motorcycle, from traveling to maintaining on my motorcycle as a female. If you like that, feel free to subscribe, like the videos, and leave a comment. I love reading all of you guys' comments. So yes, this video is really long. I'm sorry for that, but please watch it till the end. You would really like this content, and definitely watch the interview that I had with one of the oldest ladies at the rally. She was 87 years old, I believe, and she rode her own bike all the way to Beaumont, Texas by herself. So without further ado, let's just watch the video. Good morning. It is Thursday and the sunshine and I are on our way to Texas. So we are here in Lafayette. Had to stop to get gas and just take a little bit of a break. We're making really good time. We are here at the Harley Davidson in Beaumont, Texas. About to go register, get our t-shirts for the all-female rally. Super excited, full of bikes. I'm about to turn my camera around so y'all can see. So it is so packed here that this line is wrapped around this Harley Davidson right now. It's so loud in here, but the table is literally right behind me, but the line loops all the way around. So I have a while to go before I even get to the table. It's crazy. So many females. And look, men, I love you men, I love you out here, but this is so awesome to see all these lady riders from all over. They're about to ride, about to have fun, about to cut up. And there are some men here with their wives, which is awesome. But yeah, definitely a lot of women here, and I love seeing it. It's awesome to see. They got tattoos going on here at the Harley. They got face painting. Tons of ladies here all over. Yeah. So yes, everybody's excited. Everybody, I mean, so friendly here. So friendly. Yeah. Tattoos. Hello. Doing the damn thing here. It's pretty cool.
Y'all get it figured out? Yeah. Those of y'all growing? Those little ones you do. That's kind of weight to drive them into the board. The bigger ones, you don't have to go in that box.
We are rounding up to do a ride today. And as you can see, tons of bikes, and tons in front of me. I'm going to flip the camera around to show you. But everybody's getting ready, stage. Beautiful bikes out here, by the way. Let's check this out. Sunshine and I just finished doing the Merle tour, self-guided tour, which was amazing. And we just made it back to the hotel after we ate lunch. Now we're going to the actual rally, which started at noon. So let's see.
Let's get.
This is Miss Patty. And Miss Patty, where are you from?
I'm from Campwood, Texas.
Campwood, Texas. Nice. And how old are you?
That is between Rock Springs and Uvalde.
So she is 20 years old and living her best life. What bike do you ride? What kind of bike you ride?
A 2007 Honda Go Wing trike.
Awesome. Is this your first bike rally or Ladies in Leather rally?
No, this is my third.
Your third one? Wow. And you rode here all by yourself?
Yes, I did.
Awesome. Thank you. So this is her third year here. She's rode by herself. She's on a Go Wing. And she's so popular. Look at that. See, she's very popular.
Famous.
Yeah, she's famous.
Good.
I'm doing good. I'm tired, but I
Yeah.
rode in.
There you go. Another year. One more year. You see?
This will be my third year. I
Yeah,
don't
no,
know.
I said
I don't
one
know.
more year. Another year. You know?
I don't. Yeah, I made another year.
There you go.
The money that I collected last year is paying for this trip. This year.
Really? That's awesome.
I paid for my trike. I paid the driver. I bought his meals.
Wow.
And then I saved the money. And I'm paying for this trip with that money. I just saved it, you know.
Wow. And how long have you been riding motorcycles for?
Oh, probably about 50 years.
About 50 years. And what was your very first bike?
My very first bike was what was that little old bike? It was a Honda, and it was hey you!
Hey. Oh, hey.
See, famous.
Don't get up, don't get up. Hey. Are you just getting in?
No, I've been
No.
here.
You feel like you've been air conditioned a little bit.
Yeah.
I'm so happy to see you. Did you ride?
Yeah,
Oh,
right.
yeah, you did. How's she acting? Did she ride good?
Oh yeah.
No
she-
problems?
No problems. I
All
just
right.
had low air on my tire, and it was wibbly wobbly and.
Low air we can handle. We can fix that.
Yeah, we got.
She's
Yeah, I
running
rode
good,
into
huh?
a truck stop and rode up in their tire shop and said, "Put air in my tires." And they put air in all three tires, and I just put it
Rode
up
on
down
up.
the
There
road.
you go.
You're famous. You're famous.
I tell you, it feels good.
Yeah, that's good.
Good that people remember me. You know,
Yeah.
and they welcome me like they really appreciate seeing me. You know, it really feels good. I'm sorry, I get
No,
weepy,
you're fine.
but it just-
You're legendary. I think that's awesome. Like you're leaving a footprint for a younger generation of female bikers.
Yeah, last year they'd say, you know, you're our hero, and I go like, well, you know, so they'd say so. You know, you're 80 years old and you're still riding a bike, you know. And I tell them, well, don't ever let anybody tell you you're too old to ride.
Right.
As long as you're comfortable and you feel safe. But I think this may be my last trip.
Aw.
This one has been really, really hard.
Was it hard on you?
The heat.
Yeah.
The heat about did me in yesterday.
I understand. Yeah, the heat has really, it dampened my
Of course,
riding.
this year has been a bad year for,
Yes,
for
yes,
heat,
ma'am.
for everybody.
Yes.
You know.
So I just got done interviewing Miss Patty, who's on that trike, the oldest lady here in the rally. Great story, and I'll recap on that story. But we're out here, and just weather just turned poopy. That's the best word I can say. Just turned really, really bad. So we're gonna go try to see this real quick before, you know, everything gets knocked down or torn down. All right, we're going back inside. Reverse. They're making us go inside. That's all right. All is good. It is breezy out here. It's gonna storm and then it's gonna stop. So hopefully.
Guys there. Oh no. Y'all trying to get in trouble after the rally. Where my guys at? Alright, that's a little better. I can take that. I'll buy that shit for $1. I'll buy it for $1. Alright, we got a few announcements and we want to welcome everyone.
Sure.
We have a few little technical difficulties. We were hoping to be outside, but we want to welcome everyone and give a shout out to our major sponsor, Teddy Morris's Harley Davidson. This couldn't have happened without them. That's what we like to hear. That's what we like to hear. And give it up for the Holiday Inn. Have they been great? They have been amazing. We have been running them raggedy. Raggedy. So make sure you get on those reviews, scan those QR codes, and get some good reviews for the service. Not necessarily the hotel, but the service.
Hello everybody, thank you ladies for being this such a nice event. I've been riding for 32 years. And I have ridden a few bikes that are just gone over the limit. But I want to appreciate and tell you guys how much it means to me for you all to receive one of the bracelets. It's just a warm way of saying welcome, and it's a conversational piece for somebody else. When they see your bracelet, they'll know that it's your first time with us. But thank you from the bottom of my heart.
All right.
Keep it straight, like that, okay?
Oh, I love it.
Close the gas, close the gas, and then you can lean further. Pull the gas, let me go up.
That's going to be your ladies of the evening for the lovely game of us.
Take a picture. My friend is not gonna believe.
There you go. See there? That's what you're aiming for. She holding that like she knows what to do with it. Don't let it beat you, girl. Chuck that. Chuck it. There you go. So hang up here right now.
So it is Saturday, and today is Ladies in Leather parade, and it's an all-female parade. Nothing of motorcycles, just all lady riders. Men can't be on the parade. They can watch, they can be supporters, but they can't ride in this parade. There's over hundreds of bikes out here, all decked out. They got some bikes that are decorated. Some of the ladies out here are all in costumes. It is awesome. Y'all, look at all these bikes. It is crazy, ridiculous, and bikes are still coming. It is crazy. They got a band here. It is hot. It was a little breezy this morning, but it warmed up. Of course, I run into Queen Bee.
Yay!
Gotta go follow her channel.
Most definitely, it's QWNB72 on YouTube, QWNB72 on TikTok, Brown Helen on Facebook. What is my Instagram name, girl? QWNB_. I think.
Yes.
Thank y'all. That's my girl right there, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all support her. She's been real from day one. You understand me? And I love supporting those that support other people, and I love empowering women. Much love to you.
There she is.
Hey. Everybody looks great.
I'm good. How are you doing?
Got Pocahontas playing Avatar today. She melting. Got Bumblebee. Got everybody out here. Miss Giggles over here. Say hi, Giggles.
I got seltzers too. You want a seltzer? I'm good right now.
I do say so myself. Y'all look amazing. Y'all look hot. Y'all look hot as hell in the greatest way, and in an absolute burning your ass up kind of way too. I appreciate you guys. So, ladies. Let's do it.
Is my 34th wedding anniversary. So when I told my wife about it, she said, okay, you want to go escort a bunch of ladies in leather, or you want to sit with me during our wedding anniversary? Well, you see where I'm at. You know, when you've been married for 34 years, what do you get your wife?
A motorcycle. All right, we're about to get on our bikes. We're about to ride. Look at the crowd behind me. We're all getting to our bikes. I'm about to bring it forward again. So excited. Y'all don't realize. So many bikes out here. It's hot. Super hot. Oops, I'm sorry. Enjoy. All right. I'm still walking. Trying to get to my bike. I should have went to the bathroom before.
y'all want me to have some fun with her. This one here is an airplane pilot. She trying to be, I'm here to save the day. Remember that? Shit ain't gonna work with me. Everybody look at me. Everybody look at me. Take a big deep breath, and sleep all the way down, deeper and deeper. Somebody make some noise for me.
So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Again, it was a little bit long, but I definitely wanted to share as much as I could. There was so much to do over that weekend that I hope you guys liked it. Until next time, you guys, peace.